Live in Ghana, on top of Elmina, Holocaust dungeons.
Okay, so please, watchtowers built by the Dutch for soldiers to protect the castle. But please, during the English rule, they converted this room into a prison. So talking about an Ashanti king, Nana Ajima Pempe I, he was captured by the English, held there for 4 years, exiled to Freetown, Sierra Leone for 1 year, before taken to Seychelles Island, Indian Ocean for 23 years. And he was brought back 7 years later. He died at the age of 59. Also, a queen mother called Ya Asantewaa, at the age of 60 years, she held a gun to protect a golden stool. She was captured by the English as well, held there for 3 years, also exiled. But she was not fortunate, she died in the exile. 2000, her remains were brought back to Ejuso in Ghana to be reburied. So here was where the king and the queen mother were held when they were captured by the English. The English governor who needed a golden stool was called Frederick Hodgson. Right. So please, from here we move to the board room where Europeans had their meetings. We continue.
Remember, Marcy, I told you that when we come to Elmina, we will see where Nana Pempe was kept. Remember, and then when we went to pass through Ejiso, I also told you about the Queen Mother, where she was also kept. Yeah, that's what she's saying. Yeah, this is the room. This is the room. Yeah, this one and then the other one.
This is the very room where
no, we didn't start there.
Top of Elmina Holocaust dungeons in Ghana, West Africa.
Right, so please, down there we have the remains of the jetty, which were serving as a bridge for offloading and unloading of goods. When you follow the land deep into the sea, at the tip of it, you can see Cape Coast Castle. Alright, so please we move into the ground.